Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy VOO on Interactive Brokers. VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, offers broad exposure to 500 of the largest United States companies, making it a popular choice for diversification. We'll walk through the process step by step, from funding your account to placing your order and confirming your investment. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Before you can buy VOO, you need to fund your Interactive Brokers account. You can choose from several convenient methods, such as direct ACH transfers from your bank, wire transfers, or online bill pay. For most cash accounts, there is no minimum deposit required. Be sure to notify Interactive Brokers of your deposit to ensure your funds are credited promptly, usually within 1 to 3 business days for ACH. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading platform. Use the search bar to find VOO by typing its ticker symbol. Select the VOO stock, usually listed on the ARCA exchange. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum buy price. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase and carefully review all details before submitting your order. After placing your order, it's important to review its status. You can typically find this in the Orders and Trades section of your Interactive Brokers account. Once executed, your VOO shares will appear in your portfolio. Regularly check your holdings and consider setting up alerts to stay informed about VOO's performance. This helps you manage your investment effectively and react to market changes as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.